I'm going to make sure that I'm spelling mountain correctly.
This is the second science unit of the year.
We're learning about landforms, peninsula, an island, valley, mountain, isthmus, and so much more.
My students are making 3D models to help deepen their understanding of what a landform is. It's just really fun, that tangible connection to getting to build something with Play-Doh.
So we know what they are if we need to do anything with them. So that whenever you're traveling, you know what it is.
It's a physical geography, and so why not do it with some physicality?
It makes me feel like an engineer. We can mold stuff and play with clay. It's really fun. Because I want to be an engineer when I grow up. We get to shape the Play-Doh into shapes of islands and mountains. It's kind of like a 3D picture. I first made a mountain and then I made a volcano.
I think ultimately just hit the standard, which is I understand what landforms are, bodies of water, and to better understand the world we live on.